The man you're looking at does not paint with a brush, does not paint with a pen. He paints with a typewriter. He is one of very few people in the world that can do this. Who is this guy? How does he paint like this? And if he makes a mistake, does he have to start all over again? Many years ago, this guy was a banker who used his typewriter for work. Every day, he would use it to write documents, letters, normal things you would find everywhere. And in his free time, he would make drawings with normal tools like paints and brushes. Till one day, he was sitting in front of his typewriter when he had a crazy idea pop into his mind. It was something so out of the ordinary. No one had ever done it before, and he wanted to be the first. So he started typing, letter after letter, key after key. Before he knew it, his letters looked like a face, and his numbers looked like a picture. Slowly but surely, he painted Robert Kennedy. Yes, the President of the United States. This type of art was so new to the world that everybody loved it. His pictures got on the news, shared widely on social media, and even on national television. But this is harder than it looks. On a traditional typewriter, there is no backspace. There is no erase button. So there is no way to fix your mistakes. You have to paint perfectly. And if he made a mistake, he would have to do it all over again and start from scratch. A.C.Gurumurthy painted over 350 drawings, like this, this, and this. And while no one cared about his paintings before, now everyone cares. Even politicians and prime ministers asked him to draw their portraits. Today, Gurumurthy has retired from his banking job and is focusing on being a typewriter artist full-time. And he plans to go after the biggest prize of them all, the Guinness Book of World Records. There is no big idea here. There is no big message here. There is only a simple one. If you want to stand out from the rest, sometimes you have to think radically.